The objective of this lesson is to solve real-world problems using either the greatest common factor or the least common multiple of two numbers. The greatest common factor, often abbreviated as GCF, is the largest number that divides two numbers. The least common multiple, often abbreviated as LCM, is the smallest number that is a multiple of two given numbers. Let's start with the following scenario. Suppose a toy company has 20 blue kites and 50 green kites in its inventory. How many stores could receive an identical shipment? What kites would be in each shipment? Since we have a set number of items, 20 blue kites and 50 green kites, we need to find the greatest common factor of these two numbers. One method for finding the greatest common factor is to list the factors of the two numbers and then look for numbers they have in common. The factors of 20 are 1 and 20, 2 and 10, and 4 and 5. The factors of 50 are 1 and 50, 2 and 25, and 5 and 10. Now that the factors are listed, look for any that the two numbers have in common. 20 and 50 share the factors of 1, 2, 5, and 10. 10 is the greatest of the shared factors, so 10 is the greatest common factor. The toy company will be able to create 10 identical shipments of 2 blue kites and 5 green kites. Suppose the kites sold so well the toy company was asked to create a kit with an equal number of blue and green kites. The production team can make blue kites in multiples of 5 and green kites in multiples of 3. What is the smallest number of each kite that could be made for each sales kit? Because we do not have a definite set of kites in this scenario, this is a least common multiple problem. One method for finding the least common multiple is to list the multiples for both numbers. The first multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. The first multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Notice that the two numbers share multiples of 15 and 30. 15 is the least common multiple. The smallest number of each kite that could be made for each sales kit is 15. The objective of this lesson was to solve real-world problems using either the greatest common factor or the least common multiple of two numbers. We met this objective by listing factors or multiples and looking for the multiple or factor shared by the two numbers.